Hello, this is Ms. Olson. We are going to be talking about how to access our ebooks on the Follett shelf, specifically using a computer, a laptop, a desktop, something in the lab, whatever it may be. All right, so the first thing you need to know is that you should go to the Elementary Library Media Center page, and what you're looking for is the logo that says Follett Shelf. Follett Shelf is where we are housing all our ebooks. Now, there's the logo right here on the library page. If you go into Destiny, there's also a little Follett Shelf logo right here on the left side when you're on the catalog tab. Both of those will take you to the same place. So our Follett Shelf has a ton of great ebooks on it right now. There's 553. And when you get here, you kind of see a tile preview screen, and you can narrow your search by using the categories on the left side. So if we want to narrow by reading level, we can do that. We just drag the slider bar down, and it is by grade level. So it's about middle of kindergarten to 2.2. We apply that, and it rethinks, and we will eventually get 109 ebooks now here in that grade level span. So you can look through, and when you find one you like See Me Run, okay? When you hover over it, what you get is a pop-up box that has a little summary of the book on it, and then you also get this open button, which you can see my cursor over. You're going to click open, and it's going to ask you to log in. We have a generic login that you can get from the desk in the library. Otherwise, you can email me, Ms. Olson, and I can get that to you. And then once you've logged in, it will load up your book. And so this is the Follett Shelf Reader. What you're going to see at the bottom here are the page arrow keys. So we can arrow over. Now sometimes in picture books especially, you want to see the 2-page spread. So you can click 1, 2, and it will give you the 2-page spread for you. You can zoom it out. You can zoom in. You can also use these buttons to fit the width, fit the height, however you want to look at your book. All right, you've got some other tools on the left side here. Not all of the tools are available for every book. It's the publisher who decides which tools you get to use. So for this book, we have contents and bookmarks, so you can see a table of contents. We've got search, so you can search for a specific word in your book. But then we have these 3 tools that we are not able to use. Highlight, so you could highlight some words in there. A post-it note tool, so you could add a post-it note to a page. And a notebook, so you can keep a running notebook of all of your notes. Now here in the bottom corner, you'll also see a read button. Very few of the books, you have text-to-speech, so you could click this and it will read the story to you. But like I said, very few books have that. All right, so we have the book open and we are done reading it, and we want to put it back on the Follett Shelf. We click Follett Shelf, and it'll take us, well, it'll give us this pop-up screen, and we'll say Close Title, and that will take us back to the Follett Shelf. Now, our ebooks work just like our regular books. Only one person can be looking at it at a time. If you come into the library and grab a book off the shelf, you are the only one that can have it in your hands. When you open an ebook, you are the only one that can have it on your computer. Okay? We also have digital resource links up here in the corner, and these will take you to some other resources that we buy through the library. So PebbleGo is on here. We also have some Capstone interactive books that aren't on our Follett Shelf, but you can go into Capstone and see those. Again, just click on Follett Shelf and you will get back to the catalog. If you have any questions, make sure you stop by the library and ask.